What are you doing?
You cannot go down and see him.
Where are you going? Are you taking Coco's medicine? What are you doing? You think you're so smart, aren't you? How do you feel about it, Coco? Not too pleased, eh? What are you doing, Newman? Does Coco's medicine taste good? Oh my goodness, how in the world are you gonna cope? Doesn't that make you so mad? What are you doing?
You just jumped on me. You cannot go down and see him.
Coco, here, don't you dare. You guys, you're gonna hurt Newman, okay? You can't do that. So what are you doing? Are you coming to help Newman? You're slipping just like Izzy. How are you? There's the sun. You gonna sunbathe?
Ah.
Yeah? Okay, maybe we should get... Are you eating that plastic?